美国公开首批
UFO
机密档案，牛奶龟救援行动。
The US releases UFO files, mission to save milk turtle. One night, story cat, dumpling sheep, manto dog, and Zongzi cow watched the news.
某天晚上，故事猫、水饺羊、馒头狗和粽子牛窝在沙发上看新闻。
One night, story cat, dumpling sheep, manto dog, and Zongzi cow watched the news. The news reporter said, the US released secret UFO files.
主播严肃宣布，美国公开首批
UFO
机密档案。
The news reporter said, the US released secret UFO files. Official talks about alien life have finally started.
外星生命存在的可能性正式进入官方讨论。
Official talks about alien life have finally started. A photo showed a giant creature that looked like a mantis.
荧幕出现一张照片，是一个头像螳螂的巨大生物。
A photo showed a giant creature that looked like a mantis. It was walking on the mountain ridges of Jiaming Lake in Taiwan.
它悠闲地走在台湾嘉明湖的山棱线上。
It was walking on the mountain ridges of Jiaming Lake in Taiwan. Manto dog covered his eyes. I can't see it. I can't see it.
馒头狗拉下耳朵盖住眼睛，我没看到，我没看到。
Manto dog covered his eyes. I can't see it. I can't see it. Zongzi cow yelled, aliens. Real aliens.
粽子牛兴奋大喊：外星人！真的有外星人！
Zongzi cow yelled, aliens. Real aliens. Dumpling sheep said, maybe it's just your shadow on the mountain.
水饺羊冷静说：说不定只是粽子牛你在山上的背影。
Dumpling sheep said, maybe it's just your shadow on the mountain. While they talked, Milk Turtle did not pick up his phone.
大家热烈讨论时，发现牛奶龟的电话打不通。
While they talked, Milk Turtle did not pick up his phone. Story Cat frowned. He said he would come home after school.
故事猫皱起眉头，他说放学后会直接回家的。
Story Cat frowned. He said he would come home after school. At that time, Milk Turtle was walking home slowly.
此时，牛奶龟正慢吞吞地走在回家的路上。
At that time, Milk Turtle was walking home slowly. A bright blue light in the sky came closer to him.
天空出现一道刺眼的蓝白光芒，向他靠近。
A bright blue light in the sky came closer to him. Milk Turtle said slowly, oh, it's a UFO.
牛奶龟不慌不忙地说：“哦，是飞碟呀。”
Milk Turtle said slowly, oh, it's a UFO. The light flashed and Milk Turtle was gone, leaving only hot milk.
光芒一闪，牛奶龟消失了，路边只剩下热鲜乳。
The light flashed and Milk Turtle was gone, leaving only hot milk. Story Cat ran there and cried, Milk Turtle was taken.
故事猫冲到现场，脸色大变，龟哥被带走了。
Story Cat ran there and cried, Milk Turtle was taken. Manto Dog drank the milk and said, it's still warm.
馒头狗喝掉鲜乳说：“鲜乳还是温的，刚发生不久。”
Manto Dog drank the milk and said, it's still warm. Story Cat called President Trump to borrow 4 fighter jets.
故事猫立刻打给川普总统，要求借4架最先进的战机。
Story Cat called President Trump to borrow 4 fighter jets. Trump said, I like the way you talk. I'll lend them to you.
川普说：“我喜欢你说话的方式，飞机借你。”
Trump said, I like the way you talk. I'll lend them to you. 4 F-99 fighter jets landed on the ground.
4架
F-99.
鹰眼战斗机降落在空地上。
4 F-99 fighter jets landed on the ground. The friends jumped into the jets to save their friend.
伙伴们分别跳进驾驶舱，准备升空救人。
The friends jumped into the jets to save their friend. One brought dumplings, and another brought mantle bombs.
水饺羊带了一锅水饺，馒头狗藏了20颗馒头炸弹。
One brought dumplings, and another brought mantle bombs. The radar found a light moving toward the ocean.
雷达锁定了往太平洋飞去的不明光点。
The radar found a light moving toward the ocean. The UFO shot a purple light, and the jets moved away.
UFO 发射紫色光束，4架飞机立刻散开闪避。
The UFO shot a purple light, and the jets moved away. Zongzi Cow yelled, Zongzi missiles, fire.
粽子牛大喊：粽子飞弹，发射！
Zongzi cow yelled, Zongzi missiles, fire. The UFO moved easily and the missiles missed.
特制飞弹被轻松躲过，飞进云层不见了。
The UFO moved easily and the missiles missed. Story cat flew in circles, but the UFO moved better.
故事猫操控战机高速旋转，但外星飞船转得更优雅。
Story cat flew in circles, but the UFO moved better. Manto dog threw bombs, but the UFO was not hurt.
馒头狗丢出所有炸弹，白烟中毫发无伤。
Manto dog threw bombs, but the UFO was not hurt. Everyone was sad because the weapons did not work.
大家垂头丧气，武器似乎都没有效果。
Everyone was sad because the weapons did not work. Dumpling sheep said, "Let me try." She opened a vent.
水饺羊开口了：“我来试试。”他打开通风口。
Dumpling sheep said, "Let me try." She opened a vent. The smell of dumplings went out, and the UFO stopped.
水饺的香气飘进夜空，竟然停了下来。
The smell of dumplings went out, and the UFO stopped. An alien tentacle took a plate of dumplings.
外星人伸出触手，接过了水饺羊送去的一盘水饺。
An alien tentacle took a plate of dumplings. The aliens seemed to be crying because it was so tasty.
里面传来奇怪的声音，外星人似乎在哭着说好吃。
The aliens seemed to be crying because it was so tasty. Milk turtle walked out. I drank space milk for 3 days.
牛奶龟平安走出舱门，我在里面喝了3天牛奶，还不错。
Milk turtle walked out. I drank space milk for 3 days. The aliens traded milk turtle for the delicious food.
外星人决定用牛奶龟交换水饺、馒头和粽子。
The aliens traded milk turtle for the delicious food. Manto dog gave away his last manto for peace.
馒头狗依依不舍地交出最后一颗馒头，拿去吧。
Manto dog gave away his last manto for peace. The aliens waved goodbye and flew into the stars.
外星人挥手道别，消失在星海之中。
The aliens waved goodbye and flew into the stars. They landed safely, and Story Cat called Trump.
大家平安降落。故事猫打给川普还飞机。
They landed safely, and Story Cat called Trump. Trump was shocked. You really saw aliens.
川普大惊：你们真的遇到外星人？没人告诉我。
Trump was shocked. You really saw aliens, Milk Turtle said. Aliens are nice. They just need good food.
牛奶龟说：其实外星人很好相处，只是没吃过好东西。
Milk Turtle said, aliens are nice. They just need good food. Manto Dog said, Manto is the key to space peace.
馒头狗深沉地总结：馒头才是宇宙和平的关键。
Blue light fades on jamming ridge. Milk turtle's phone won't connect. We found a carton warm and sweet where the forest met the street. Did you see the mantis friend? Will we meet again? Blue light fades on jamming ridge. Milk turtle's phone won't connect. We found a carton warm and sweet where the forest met the street. Did you see the mantis friend?